always thought alien life would come from the stars, but it came from deep beneath the sea, a portal between dimensions in the Pacific Ocean.
Giant monsters have come out of the ocean, hell-bent on destroying our planet.
The way the human beings respond is that we build these robots to fight them.
The fate of the planet is at stake.
This is a movie about gods. Gods walking the earth and fighting titans, man-made titans.
Basically, it's a reformulation of everything I saw as a kid.
This is all Guillermo.
Ready to activate the Jaeger in 3, 2, 1.
I don't know if anything gets bigger than this.
There has never been a movie of this size and scope, ever.
This is more massive than any film I've ever seen in my life.
It's huge.
It's a spectacle in the best sense of the word.
Hollywood movie making at its best.
Guillermo del Toro is amazing.
This is something you have to see.
It's absolutely groundbreaking.
Monsters and robots for a new generation, that would be my dream.